Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are enjoying your Eid very well. How was your Eid vacation? Did you spend it well? I hope so. Students, our assessment is knocking at the door. Do you know? Yes, it's going to start from 22nd of August. So, are you prepared? Well, students, it's time we will take our preparation for our assessment. But how? Okay, students, I will give some instruction about how to give revision of your previous topics. So, first we start it from our poem, The Box of Crayons. So, let's start. Students, for giving revision, you will do two things. First, you will take the revision sheet I have given before. I have given a revision sheet of the box of crayons, right? Can you remember? You take the sheets and review all the word meanings, true, false, make sentences, poem writing, and fill in the gaps. Then put the revision sheet aside, and you can do another thing. You can make a new print of the revision sheet, or you can erase the answers and test yourself how much you can recall those answers, right? So in this way you can revise your previous lessons. Students, do you understand what you have to do? First, you have to read those answers, and then you have to test yourself by bringing a new print, or what, you can erase those answers. Okay? Students, now I will revise all those exercises that we have practiced at the poem Box of Crayons. Okay? So let's see. Students, what can you see? In the box of crayons, you have to write the verses of the poem, right? In this poem, you will be given a verse, right, like this. I had a box of crayons, and you have to write the following verses of the poem. I had a box of crayons. Then what? So students, what will be our next verse of the following verses? I had a box of crayons. Then what comes? Shiny, straight, and new, right? In this way, you have to write the verses of the poem. Do you understand? And one thing, you also have to be careful giving the punctuation, okay? Like what I have put a comma after shiny, and after new I have given a full stop. Take care of this, okay? Next one is find out whether the statements are true or false. Means you will have to identify whether the statements are true or false. Students, like this, the box was shiny. Students, is it true or false? Can you tell me? It is false, right? The box was not shiny. Rather, the crayons were shiny, right? So, what you will write? False. After this, fill in the blanks using suitable words given below. Students, you will be given some list of words, and you have to choose carefully where to put those words, right? Like this. The dash were shiny. Which was shiny? The crayons? The said care length. What word we will be choose? Yes, it will be the crayon. The crayons were shiny. Next one is answer the following question in one word. Do you remember? There will be given some question, and you have to answer it in one word, like this. What did the child have? Students, can you answer me in one word? What will be the answer? The answer will be a box of crayons, right? In this way, you will revise the rest of the questions. Okay? Then comes students word meaning. Means you will be given a word and you have to write the meaning of the words. Okay? So students, can you tell me what are the meaning of crayon? Can you tell me? Yes, the meaning of the crayon is small stick of colored wax. Small stick of colored wax. And next one, the last one, making sentences. Students, if I say, please make a sentence with the word crayon, can you make? Can you make? Okay, I'm telling you. You can write, my crayon is straight. So students, do you understand what is word meaning and making sentence? If I say you word meaning, you will write the meaning of the word. And if I say make sentence, you will make a sentences. Okay? When you write a sentence, keep in mind that the sentence should be grammatically correct. Okay, students? Students, what we have to revise from the box of crayons? First is poem writing, then question answer, then true false, then fill in the gaps using suitable words, word meaning and make sentence. So these are the exercises we have to go through and revise. How you will revise it? First, bring the revision sheet I have given before. Go through and read all the exercises you have practiced before. Then put it aside. You can make a new print of the revision sheet, or another thing you can do, erase those answers and test yourself whether you can recall it or not. In this way, you can revise your previous lessons. Okay, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.